Hey, JobTread Pros. So I've been updating my dashboards, and the latest update I've made is to add a square foot pricing. So we're going to use this for kind of two different areas. First, being a sales tool when prospects are asking about general pricing. So it'll allow us to kind of give a range for square foot pricing. And I know we've kind of stayed away from the square foot model for a long time. But what we found is it's a simple way for clients to do math, but it's also for us saying, hey, our average is this. It's less about the house they're in or the car they drive or them trying to think that you're taking advantage of them in some way or shape or form. But what we're basically looking at is the five areas that we mainly do. We may add in, like if we do enough decks or some other area, we may, like our laundry room or something, we may break this out a little bit more. But pretty much as our estimator goes to price any work, we have this tab over here, and he'll just add in some real quick information, just the job name, kind of the area that it is, the year, the price, square foot, gives us kind of the number. So we have a very kind of small data set right now, so I don't really know if these numbers are really valid or maybe they're a little high or a little low, but at least a general idea of kind of where we sit. So it's kind of interesting information. And really, ultimately, too, when we price the job for a client, we can really go back to our historical data and really understand, is our pricing in line relative to previous projects? So really interested to see how this data kind of unfolds as we add more stuff in here, and keep up the good work. See you guys later.